Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter maximum light mode for your Storm 450 flashlight by Black Diamond. And to do this we'll need to power on our flashlight first. Now to turn on a full brightness mode, simply hold the power key right here for 1 second. First let's change the modes, as we can't use this small RGB flashlight. And now again hold the power key for at least 1 second, and as you can see we're just changed to full flashlight maximum mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.